Hi, my name is Gene Luen Yang. I'm a comic book writer. I write Superman comics, among other things. Let's talk about our Fortress of Solitude Journal some more. One of the things that Superman gets to do, because he's part of the DC universe, is he gets to hang out with Batman, Wonder Woman, and Aquaman, other superheroes. We don't get to hang out with superheroes because they're fictional, but we can imagine what it would be like if we could. And that's what we're going to do today. Our writing prompt for today is this. If you could hang out with your favorite superhero or other fictional character, what would you do? One of my favorite superheroes to come out of the DC universe recently is a kid named Tai Pham. He is the main character of this book right here, Green Lantern Legacy by Min Lee and Andy Tong. Now, to get an idea of what it would be like for me to hang out with Tai, I am going to read this book and then I'm going to write about it. So I'm going to take a moment to do that and I'll come back and share with you what I wrote. Let me share with you what I wrote. Now, in this book, there is a scene where the Green Lantern and his friends get together, they design a new superhero costume for him, and then they go through the city wearing this new costume to fight crime. And that's exactly what I wrote about. If I got a chance to hang out with Green Lantern, we could design new superhero costumes together and fly through the city to fight crime. So journal entries can contain ideas that were inspired by books. I hope you will give that a try, and I'll see you next time.